Hey creatures, how's it going? Today's a little tutorial on how to create your own barcode for Instagram. Within the last day or so, they've dropped this latest feature, and it's something that we could all truly benefit from. You come over here, we'll see on the screen I'm going to Instagram here. Oh, there's a cute little puppy. Give that a like there. Alright, and then you come over into your settings. Oh, this is a little picture here of the barcode I created for my account, DirtDouble137. You can give that a follow there. Alright, so next we're going to come over to your profile, hit your settings, and you will see the option of name tag. Make sure you've updated your Instagram, obviously. We're going to go tap on name tag and this screen will pop up here. For me, my account is ImPositiveDev. So it gives you the options of creating a color, choosing an emoji, choose a name tag style above, then tap on your name tag to customize it. Went through with that, give it a while, and for me personally, I decided to take a selfie for this one. Oh, there it is. That's adorable. Snap! Alright, and you can see it comes up there in the background of your barcode. And just a little fun, you know, something Instagram is doing for us. So if you're interested in scanning a user's name, you will go back into your name tag, and at the very bottom here, there will be a scan your name tag username. As you can see here, I had to grab my other device so that I could show the example here. So I'm going to haul up my iPad, go into my story, and there you go. It will pop up on your screen that you scanned and are now following the account. It's really that simple, y'all. As you can see here, fun little story, but this is actually the account that I would use prior to going public with it, to line up my theme, line up my feeds, make sure my profile and the pictures on it flowed properly. Yeah, it was a neat idea that I used to do, however now I just more go off of my own personal judgment. This is my white theme, my white feed, me and a friend there. Myself. But yeah, that's all really. We go back, we're back at DirtDouble137. Give that a follow if you're interested in motocross or anything along the lines of that. That's all for now though, y'all. I really hope that this video benefited you in some way. I hope it cleared the air on Instagram's latest feature. You can head on over to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, watch my other videos. I have a Spooktober playlist, which you can see at the bottom of the screen here. Give that a view. There will be lots of information in there regarding a certain production that I'm putting off on October 31st. If you want to be interested in that, hit me up, send me a message. That's all for today, creatures. Take care.